In the lively town of Harmony Hills, there was a cheerful classroom full of students eager to learn. However, a sneaky problem lurked beneath the surface: backbiting. Whispers and rumors fluttered like mischievous butterflies, creating an atmosphere of unease. Enter Amna, a spirited girl with a heart as big as her smile. Amna noticed the tension in her classroom and decided it was time for a change. Inspired by her favorite book about a wise owl, she formed the Harmony Heroes, a team dedicated to spreading kindness and ending backbiting. Amna enlisted her friends, Benny the bunny, Maya the mouse, and Leo the lion, to join the Harmony Heroes. Together, they huddled in their secret meeting spot under the old oak tree, brainstorming ways to foster positivity in their classroom. The Harmony Heroes came up with a brilliant plan. They created a kindness corner in the classroom, adorned with colorful paper flowers. Whenever someone witnessed an act of kindness, they could write it on a petal and place it on the kindness corner tree. This simple act encouraged everyone to focus on the positive and appreciate the good in their classmates. As the tree blossomed with kindness petals, the atmosphere in the classroom transformed. Amna and her friends also organized a compliment day, where each student had to say something nice about someone else. The walls echoed with laughter and compliments, replacing the whispers of backbiting. The Harmony Heroes showed that small acts of kindness could create a big change. The once divided classroom became a haven of friendship and support. The story of Amna and the Harmony Heroes became a legend in Harmony Hills, teaching everyone that true leaders inspire others to be kind and create a positive, uplifting environment for all.